Hello, I'm Megan Edge, and I want to welcome you to Workshop Wisdoms. Here I share with you some of the fun and interesting bits of guidance and information that come in during my workshops. I hope you enjoy them.
There's something interesting I was reading recently about our senses, that our sense of sight and our sense of smell are external because we see outward and we smell things that are in our environment. Yeah, and our sense of hearing and our sense of sight are external. That's what it was. Except with the sense of hearing, you can train yourself to hear internally, to hear your body internally. Mm-hmm. And if you've ever gotten really quiet and been in a really quiet place and actually listened to all the noises that your body makes, oh, good God, there's a lot going on in there. There's burps and squeaks and like, creaks and cracks. And I've had the experience of as I'm falling asleep, of suddenly becoming aware of the flow of blood through my veins, through my heart, and I can hear it. It sounds just like an echo, or an ultrasound. It's exactly like that, and I can hear it going whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. And when we do the exercise, the sixth sense exercise, and we open our ears, and I suggest as well, okay, now go internally, and what are you hearing? What are you hearing inside? But these are designed for us to hear external stimuli, just like our eyes are designed, and most often practiced at looking outward. So when we do the work around let's listen internally or let's see internally, it takes practice. Because we're not taught how to do it. Right? So when you're doing a visualization, you have your eyes closed, and I'm saying to you, okay, I want you to imagine and I want you to visualize. Well, you're not actually seeing anything. You have to rely on your mind and your imagination to provide you with the images that you're familiar with, so that as that vision starts to clarify within you, however it shows up, whether it's a physical feeling or colors or you actually see something, it's not coming from your eyes. Right? Just feel that for a moment. Right now your eyes are open, you're looking around and you're observing everything in your environment. But as soon as you close your eyes, I don't see Pamela over here, and I don't see the turtle mug that's up on the mantelpiece. I remember that it's there, and as I'm remembering that it's there, I can see the colors and I can see what those turtles look like. But I'm not seeing it on the inside of my eyelids. I'm seeing it somewhere else within my mental processes. Thanks so much for watching my workshops and my talks. It's my passion to share with you what I know and believe. We have lots of laughs, sometimes tears. We're always learning and growing. I look forward to hearing from you and staying connected. Enjoy this amazing day.